G-scale model trains are one of the larger versions sold to modelers commercially. The G-scale was created in Germany by Ernest Paul Lehman to be able to run both indoors and outdoors. His company, LGB, was synonymous with the G-scale well up until it was dissolved through bankruptcy. The company has been broken up and sold mostly to the Marklin Company, that is another German powerhouse. While the initial company to produce the larger train model scale is gone, the G-scale is still used to this day. To read more about G-scale model trains, click the link below.